Pastor. Smile. Smile po.
Smile! Hi! Sorry ka.
Tayo sa camera.
Smile!
Smile po kayo.
Ano yan?
Smile kayo.
Hi!
Kayo dyan. Kain lang kayo. Record tayo. Smile kayo. Para ma-record. Smile, Faith. Sis.
Hi! Nagawid ba sila?
Hi. Say hi to Dad. This
Family fun day from the Ark of
top view.
Kain na na!
Hello, pare.
What? Juice, pizza.
See you guys.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy.
Hey guys.
Nag-record ako ng mga nakanganga. Nag-record tayo ng mga nakanganga. Sis.
Ba't lamig siya? Ba't ako wala?
Ikot tayo, ikot. Iikot. Brother, ikaw wala ka pang kuha. Say hi.
Hello.
Ayan na. Malapit na. Ayan na.
Ayan na!
Ayun.
Kausap!
Kumain ka ng mga bata, sir.
Para walang naiwan sa camera. Yun.
May papasok daw galing si Carla, sabi niya, may papasok daw.
What's up, boy?
Okay, yeah.
Our camera's here. Someone recording us.
She's not fine today, but she's not
I'm fried chicken man.
Is she fine? And he is not fine.
Israel's lonely.
Callie.
Hi guys.
I'm biting my corn!
I keep telling her I want to buy one of those
Oh yeah, for motorcycle.
for a motorcycle.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure
You'll
if I
see it
need to upgrade
360.
my
You'll see the
laptop
back.
or
You'll
not.
see the front.
So like I said, I'm not sure if I have to upgrade my laptop or not. Oh, is that a 3 or 4 or 5?
This is a 4. This is a 5. It's more expensive.
Yung taba, Ted.
Wonderful fellowship, good weather, lots of blessing. Lord, keep us safe and sound, and enjoy our fellowship. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Amen. Happy fun day.
Ay, hindi ka nakuha kanina. Wala ka dito.
Hello.
Hey, manok.
Sarap, manok. Sarap. My favorite.
Favorite chicken. Courtesy of, saan niya pinick up yan? Cars.
Ars, Minnesota.
Nakita ko yung pinadala ko sa'yo.
Bagong table, Say hi. Dito naman table na to. Say hi.
Hi! Brother Cesar, anak kong lalaki si Mike.
Ngayon wala namin.
Asawa niya si Ada. Yan ang kabalay ko.
Hello po pala.
Callie. What's up? Come on. Callie. Mercy.